Hi everyone, Jay here, and in this video I'm going over my two favorite lifetime recurring income affiliate programs. They're going to pay you month after month and year after year for anything that the customers buy through your affiliate link. Now, these are my top two favorite that I promote personally myself, and they're excellent products as well. I'm going to leave the links to both these products directly below in the video description box. So just scroll right below this video into the video description box. The first one's going to be what I'm covering the first. The second one's going to be my second high ticket affiliate program that I recommend. So just click them. It'll take you over to what I'm talking about in this video. Sign up. Check them out for yourself. Check out all the features. And then you can promote them as an affiliate, because you'll be aware of what you're promoting. You'll know they're high quality. You'll know how to use them and all that good stuff. But these are both excellent products to promote. And like I said, links will be below. With that being said, let's dive into this video here. This is the best affiliate marketing programs for massive lifetime recurring income. First one on the list is System.io. And this is the affiliate page. I am going to take you to the main page to show you what it is exactly, and then I'm going to go back to that. So the first link below in the video is going to lead you to this offer right here. This is the easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. System.io has all the tools you need to grow your online business. So what you're going to need to do is enter your email address in here and click Get Started for free. That's all you're going to do. And you're going to get a free account here, and you're going to be able to access the affiliate program, which I'm going to show you in the next step. First, I'm going to show you what this does, so you know what you're promoting, basically. You have an idea. This is something that anybody that runs a business online, whether you're an internet marketer, entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, small business owner, you're going to need something like this. But this is 6 tools in one. It's everything you need to grow and scale your business online. This comes with sales funnels, an email marketing platform. You can build online courses. It comes with a website builder. It's an affiliate program management tool. So if you're a vendor and you want to run your own affiliate program, you can do that with this platform. You can do basically everything. You can create webinars. It's got marketing automations built in. It's for course creators, freelancers, consultants, small business owners. And you're saving at least $320 a month. There's a funnel builder, like I said, email marketing, online course builder, affiliate program, video hosting. They even got video hosting on this. And there's all the product reviews. It's a really good tool. It's a great tool, actually, that everybody's going to need. And they offer a free package so you can try it out for yourself. They also offer some upgraded packages, which aren't very expensive, that you can try out yourself. If you like the platform, it's helping out your business, by all means, upgrade. If not, you can just use the free one. At least you'll know how to use it. And if you plan on promoting it as an affiliate and earning those lifetime recurring commissions, you'll know how to use it. You know what I mean? You'll know how to market the product to all your leads that you're driving through whatever business you're running, whether it be an affiliate marketing business or any other business. You'll know how to market this product so you can basically, send leads and start getting commissions rolling into your account. So once you sign up for your free account here, that's the first step. Click that link below, enter your email address, click that blue Get Started for Free button, and then log in. You're good to go. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to take you over to this. Where am I at here? I'm on my affiliate dashboard. Just started promoting this. I sent 11 leads, not too many, but I just started within the last, few days. And it's going to show you all the leads you got here. Tells you right here. And then the sales. Like I said, I just started promoting this. I plan on doing a lot more in the future. I'm only a couple days into this. And I really like the tools so far. But they got contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, product sales. You got all these. So you could basically do anything. There's an affiliate dashboard here. So you can build anything you want for your business here. And it's all under one platform. But once you sign up for your free account, go into dashboard. Click on affiliate dashboard. It's gonna take you here. And then you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. And it says your affiliate link to promote System.io. where you can earn 40% lifetime commissions. It says right there. And that's my personal link. Yours will be different, obviously. All these marketplace offers you can also earn money on too. So if somebody signs up and they end up buying one of the courses inside the platform, you're going to earn commissions on that as well. And like I said, it's an excellent tool that everybody needs. If you do a search on this product, once you sign up, you can see all the good reviews about it. So it's actually an excellent tool as well, so you can be proud of promoting it. So that's my first one, is System.io. Click that link below, first one. Come on over, enter your email address, click that blue Get Started for Free button, go to that affiliate page once you're logged into the platform, and then grab your affiliate link. You can mess around with the tool inside there, so you know how to use it. So you're more educated on how to promote it to all your leads that you drive on your website, whatever it is, email list, whatever it may be, so you can market it better. Now, moving on here. That's my first one that offers lifetime or recurring commissions, and they're hard-coded for life, which is awesome about this program. So they could buy something 6 months or a year later, and you're still going to get credit for it, which is really cool. Second one on the list here is right here. It is called, this is Jasper. This will be the second link below in the video description box. This is a really cool product. You can watch the video here.
Say hey to Jasper. Artificial intelligence makes it fast and easy to write content for your blog, social media, website copy, and more. Writer's block have you stuck? Not anymore. Now you can scale up content 5 times faster using AI. So
you get the idea of it. I want to play the whole video here. You can watch it once you get to this page. But this is actually a fantastic tool. So click the second link here. Click that Start Free Trial Now button. You're going to get 10,000 words free. You can try it out. See how you like it. You don't have to buy it, obviously. If you do like it down the road, go ahead and pick it up, obviously. That's all on you. But at least you'll know how it works, and you'll be able to promote it better to all your followers and leads to show them how it works. But that's going to be the second link here, and it is going to lead to this page. Just click that Start Free Trial Now button, and you're going to get 10,000 words free to try this out for yourself. And this is how good of a product it is. It's rated 5 out of 5 stars with over 3,000 plus reviews. This is an excellent content writer that's going to save anybody massive amounts of time. And it's an excellent product to promote as an affiliate as well, that offers lifetime recurring commissions for every lead that you send over via your affiliate link. And that's that. But it's let me see here. We're going to go over to the Jasper affiliate program. And you can see it right here. You reward for referring new customers. You get 30% recurring commissions for every referred customer. And these are all the different links I have right here. And it gives you 12 different links that will want to lead to the default page, home page, pricing page, recorded demo, boss mode, which you can read about. I actually have a review on my blog. You can check it out at jaysonlinereviews.com, where I go in depth on this tool. Free trial, the review page with 3,000 5 out of 5 star reviews, positive reviews, mastermind sales page, and all that good stuff. So you can just pick whatever link you want. I use a default link usually, but that's all on you. Send them over, and then every lead that buys, you're going to get a 30% commission month after month, year after year. And the commissions range from like $30 all the way to $300 a month. If somebody buys, one of the premium packages, you're going to get $30 of $300 a month. I mean, do the math. That's $100 a month from that one customer. You're going to get that month, monthly, month after month after month. And if you send a lot of leads, obviously that's going to add up quite quickly. So that's Jasper. That'll be the second one in the link, the second link below. You can sign up for. And I'm going to go over Jasper a little more here. It creates original content that ranks for SEO, boosts ad conversions with better copy, finish your first draft 10 times faster, scale up your content marketing fast. It actually translates your content into 25 different languages, which is really cool. End writer's block with ideas from a robot. And there's a 5.5 stars with over 3,000 reviews on all these different, authority sites from some of the big name marketers. Anik Singhal, he's a huge super affiliate, excellent marketer. And you get all these different reviews tell you how good this product really is. So you can be proud promoting both these products. They both offer, lifetime recurring commissions. They're both excellent products to make, and you can make a lot of money with both these products. These are probably two of my favorite residual income affiliate products that I am promoting. New ones that I'm promoting as of now that I thought I'd tell you about. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, links are below. Sign up, check them out, play around with them, see how you like them, and then get to promoting, and then start, racking up those lifetime recurring commissions for yourself. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button on this video. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video update. Bye-bye.